Good morning, dear students. Today we discussed about the topic steptics as local hemostatics. Is an important topic for BDS students. Mostly this asking like the short note type question. What is steptics? Steptics or local hemostatic. This category is mainly used to arrest bleeding. So this mainly control the oozing of blood from these minute blood vessels by formation of an artificial clot or by providing a matrix which facilitates bleeding. Examples are gelatin sponge. This mainly used for packing wounds after moistening with normal saline or thrombin solution, which is completely absorbed in 2 to 4 weeks, and this generally causes no foreign body reaction. Gelatin sponge is mainly available as 5% colloid silver. This gelatin is available as it mainly facilitate optimum wound treatment. When this applied to a surgical cavity, this can be cut to require size to fit smaller wound cavities or tooth socket after tooth extraction. So this after tooth extraction, this gelatin sponges are most useful for this arrest bleeding. Another examples are fibrin forma or sheets. These are mainly prepared from human plasma, and these dried sheets are used to cover or pack the bleeding surface. This usually applied directly to the bleeding area, and this mainly combined with thrombin. Another one is human or bovine thrombin. This usually a dry powder or freshly prepared solution of human or bovine thrombin. This can be applied on the oozing surface. This mainly applicable to hemophilia, skin grafting, and in neurosurgery. This thrombin solution, this usually used with fibrinogen, is also used locally to induce clotting. Another one is oxidized cellulose. It is a surgical gauze. This specially treated to promote clotting by the reaction between hemoglobin and cellulosic acid. This one is it's not well absorbed one. It is used only for surface hemostatics. And this another one is the Russell's viper venom. These are a strong thromboplastin activity. This used in hemophilia cases by applying locally. Most another important one is vasoconstrictors. Mostly this adrenaline. 1% solution. This adrenaline is used in form of cotton gauze pack in bleeding sockets. This helpful to stop bleeding by causing is local vasoconstrictor and is useful in epistaxis. Next category is astringents. What is astringents? These astringents categories of drugs mainly precipitate surface protein, and this acts on the outer layers of skin. So these categories acts only on the superficial layers. This do not penetrate inside the cell. This acts on the superficial layers of our skin. This tannic acid, this mainly contains 20% in glycerin. This used for bleeding gums and bleeding piles. Certain systemic hemostatics examples are tranexamic acid, ethamsalate, etc. These are also used in the prevention and treatment of capillary bleeding in epistatics, hematuria, and after tooth extraction. Okay. These are the some important steptics that are commonly used. This main role is arrest bleeding. Okay, thank you.